why almost everyone is doing affiliate marketing the wrong way in 2026 and how you can do it the right way, step by step, as a beginner, as someone who wants to succeed with affiliate marketing. As you can see over here on my screen, I have made over 8,000 US dollars or 7,800 euros. If I click here, you can see, right? And I have been promoting low ticket digital info products. Okay, so this is the best thing, is instant purchase, instant decisions, and low ticket cheap products, right? 131 sales, 7,800 euros in 7 days, which is over 8,000 US dollars. Okay, we are making 80% to 90% affiliate commissions. In this case, 90% affiliate commissions paid out daily. Now let me show you over here, right, how this works in action. If you have been buying any ClickBank products, courses on ClickBank affiliate marketing or any other affiliate networks out there, ClickBank is just the biggest one. Most of the gurus are leaving out the real secrets or the things that actually convert, actually move the needle for you to have success. Now let me show you what is the right way. Okay, the right way is over here. First of all, let's say you're promoting Google pay-per-click ads. You can use TikTok ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, doesn't matter. Why Google ads? Because it's all about buyers' clicks. You need buyers' intent. Now, my friend, if you watch this video, if you want to have sales online, you need to have buyers' intent. Most of gurus are showing you outdated, bullshit, BS methods that used to work years ago. Yes, you can get attention, okay, viral, but this doesn't equal money in your bank, cash in your pocket. Why? Because not all attention is created equal. Write it down, remember. Not all attention is created equal. Meaning you can have a lot of attention, millions of views, and zero sales. Why? Because with AI and lots of gurus on YouTube selling you AI softwares, telling you it's going to make you millions of dollars, blah, 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 right? Of course it doesn't work. Yes, AI is a tool, can help you, but you don't need to buy expensive software because it will not get the work done for you. What you need in 2026 is leadership, is personal relationship, someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step along the way. And you cannot succeed without it. Okay? You can see the first thing is search ad. Then we send them to functional quiz funnel. Okay? It's all about psychology of marketing and ads. Low emotional states, high emotional states audiences. Females, male audiences. Once you understand that, you'll be able to make money online. Okay? You can see over here, this is how it works. Now, the wrong way is this. Maybe you have been following this and it's not your fault. Why? Because you have bought $2,500, $3,000, $4,000 courses, and then you can see, right? You have one size fits all methods, copy and paste, expensive tools, upsells, no personal one-on-one support or guidance, no hand-holding, and then you get stuck. And once you get stuck, you have no one to ask for help and support. Now with New Way in 2026, what we are doing differently is leadership, meaning clear step-by-step execution plan, and then we have strategies, live over the Zoom call, one-on-one, and proven, done for you affiliate campaigns that actually convert, actually move the needles, fast forward you so you can finally be up and running in 2026, right? So you don't have to be guessing which product to promote, what ClickBank offers to promote, what to click, what not to click. No, we do it together one-on-one, okay? You can see why Google Ads, because it's all about buyer's intent, and no gurus are ever sharing this with you. I'm sure. Screenshot it and tell me, have you ever bought a ClickBank course for 5,000, 6,000 US dollars or 2,000 euros? And have you ever been told that you need to have buyer's clicks? The money is in the buyer's clicks, buyer's intent. Okay? Attention plus intention, it's sales. Without intent, there is no sales. No sales. Okay? So the most important thing is this, and having the offer with a great upsell take rate. How I can pay $1,000 on Google Ads and make $6,000 back. How? By having the great offer. First of all, positioning, of course, the right ad copy, the right message to the market match. And then, my friend, at the end, you need to understand, you need to have upsell take rate. Okay? For example, let's do the math. Let's say I get 500, I spend $500 on Google Ads. Out of 500 people who click on my ad, 9% will buy, meaning 45 buyers will buy $47 products only. Okay? But 5 people, 5 out of 45, they will buy entire funnel, meaning $47, and then they're going to pay in the same minute $97 upsell or downsell. At the end, they spent $211. And at the end, I made almost $3,000 in a day. Spending $500, making almost $3,000 back. Not bad. It's all about the math behind the scenes, the economics of affiliate marketing. And no gurus are ever sharing this with you. Never. Never ever. Okay? The right way is this. You have to understand that it's market sophistication levels and product matching. So once you connect your product to the right mental mind shift of your audience, you'll be able to get results. Example, you can show me some funny video, baby funny face. It will get a lot of attraction, lots of clicks. I will have a look. You will get my attention, but you won't get my credit card. You won't get my buyer's decision. And that's the reason why, my friend, as you watch this video, you are losing time and money following gurus, okay, with the wrong, outdated courses and methods that used to work years ago. All right? So that's the most important thing if you want to succeed in 2026. Having someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step. You can do this in 20 to 30 minutes per day. You are in India, US, Australia, Europe, Canada, doesn't matter. Okay? As long as you can invest in yourself, be up and running, be serious, be action taker, and become super affiliate, become someone who want to be successful in life, then yes, of course you can do this. You can see we get it done one-on-one. People, this one is from Spain. English is her second language, and she was able to make it. Okay? Another person over here, right? We are working together one-on-one, stay-at-home mom, single mom with 3 kids. If she can do it, why not you? Right? Now, you can connect with me one-on-one. There's my Instagram. You can see I travel to over 69 countries, not to brag, but because to show you what affiliate marketing with ClickBank or anything else can do for you, for your family, for your children, for your parents, for yourself. If you want to see these dream vacations, Bali, Thailand, Australia, Canada, Italy, Santorini, Greece, Turkey, all this is possible. This life is possible for you in 2026 if you're not procrastinator, if you're not excuse maker. Okay, because it's still possible to make money online in 2026 as long as you're serious and you want someone who can help you and say, enough is enough, let's connect over the Zoom, let's set up this Google ad campaign together. And then you can see, heck, I made $300 yesterday. Okay, great. Now you make $500 a day, $1,000 a day. Oh, it's doable, duplicatable, and transferable. This is the skill set you would take with you for life. Okay, that's the most important thing. Now again, thank you for watching, and do not reach out to me if you're not serious. If you're serious, there's my Instagram, my personal WhatsApp number, my phone number, email, and Facebook Messenger. Everything is in the description under this YouTube video. You can connect with me, but only if you're serious, if you're not excuse maker, if you're action taker, and if you actually understand from this video, from this point of view, bigger picture, that you can actually access and claim results for yourself in 2026 with the right methods that actually work, without BS, without fluff, actually get up and running and taking action by getting results.